So stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $2,000 plus from YouTube using Sora 2 as a complete beginner. Sora 2 is not just smart, but is a total game changer. The way it creates content ideas is just mind blowing. And for example, these are the kind of videos you can create with Sora 2, and check, this one is one of the video I created with Sora 2, and you see how impressive it is. I'm telling you. And that video actually, let me check, got me 2.5 million views on YouTube Shorts and over 9,500 subscribers, and let's say 48 euros, let's just say $50. And this was just one of the videos I already created with Sora 2 among hundreds already posted on my different faces YouTube channels. And let me tell you, the results are massive. This is a revolution in content creation. And as always, let me tell you that I'm not an expert, neither a kind of guru. I'm just a French guy who studied and took YouTube seriously since 2021. Until this day, I have some few YouTube channels I'm running, and I invite you to check this current channel because I show many of them, give you a lot of value, show you even some of my niches, and all that for free. And don't forget, I started as a complete beginner. So stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. So first of all, if you don't have access to Sora 2 yet, or if you never heard of it, to have access is very simple. I already made a video about it, but it's a kind of complex for some people because there's a kind of invite code that you need there to have access to it, but it's very difficult for hundreds of thousands of people to get this kind of code. That's why I made a simple, a clear video about it, so you can get access of Sora 2 for free with unlimited generation. You have nothing to pay, you don't even need any invite code. So you gotta watch that video after this video, or you can go ahead and spend hours and days looking for just an invite code. Alright guys, so from now on, I'm going to show you how to create videos with Sora 2. We'll check out what I've already created, and then we'll analyze everything so you know exactly the kind of video you can create to have a high quality video, so you can know exactly the kind of video you can make on your YouTube channel, or even if you want to post on TikTok for the TikTok money, or create a new faceless YouTube channel. It's up to you. Alright, so once you are on a page, generating a video is very simple. Okay, you just type the prompt, your prompt right here, as you can see, or also you can just choose or add an image to start the scene. Alright, it's very simple. Then you got something called cameos right here. So if I click on it, I can simply choose a character just by typing a character's name, and the character will automatically appear in the scene. And with the iOS app, you can even create your own cameo, basically your virtual self, and create tons of videos, crazy video with yourself, just by typing some prompt or just by typing some ideas you have in your mind. And as for the settings right now, for now, we have only to choose between portrait and landscape mode. Yeah, there's no option here to remove the audio, adjust quality, or set the video duration. There's no settings for that right now. So the very first test I did was this one, and honestly it completely blew me away. I'm telling you, I just give it one image along with a short French prompt because I wanted to create a video in French, and just a few sentences to make the character say something and perform an action. And as you can see, this is what Sora 2 generated for me. And as you can see, I actually gave it a pretty random prompt just to see how it would turn out. And as you heard it, the sound is honestly really good. The voice and the emotion in the voice are spot on. You can see the richness of the scenes, the graphic consistency, and how well the character fits in visually. It's seriously impressive. This is crazy, bro. Especially these are just three scenes right here. The movement and the camera dynamics are just crazy. But sure, at the end there's a character that doesn't really serve any purpose in the video. But honestly, with the three scenes he created, I'm super satisfied. And now, as you can see, there's still that little Sora logo showing up everywhere. That's normal because we are still in the testing phase. Later on, of course, you'll be able to hide that part, okay? So I run multiple tests, giving it different phrases and prompts, and the quality stay consistently high. I'm telling you, it really understands what I ask for and can handle complex scenes. Like there's nothing impossible right here. Like it can create complex videos with soldiers, robots, perspective, and even proper placement of key elements, like that big purple gate you can see in several shoots. But I also wanted to test the combat movement, and those came out surprisingly impressive. I'm telling you, as you can see right here, when there is an impact, you can actually feel it. The camera shakes at the right moment, and that gives a real sense of impact. But now sure, there are few little glitches. As you can see right here, you notice the character suddenly has 3 arms, but that's okay though. It's not a big deal at all. Even with those small issues, the overall result is so good. You can create tons of videos with this tool and generate tons of money with YouTube Short, TikTok money, bro. It is crazy. And also try giving it an image only with a empty prompt, and even then the entire scene stayed super coherent. It understood that it was an anime style, so it kept the anime look, the anime camera shots, and just completely improvised this entire sequence by itself. Let's check it out.
Baissez-vous! Vous partez déjà? Ne tourne pas, continue! Laissez-nous! Si pressé.
And what's also really impressive is the sound and the voice. This is crazy because it feels like I'm listening to a real anime. Okay, maybe it might sound like an anime from the early 2000s, but still it's absolutely amazing already. And of course, I didn't just test the anime side. Here are 2 other tests that are super interesting. So I wanted to see if I could easily recreate viral style video we used to see on the internet. Okay, so I asked it to generate one of those spying camera videos showing on trampoline with bunnies jumping on it. And as you can see right here, it worked incredibly well. Let's check it out. Now here is something that might seem totally random because it's actually super clever. See the text on the screen, and as you can see, the seconds count up naturally like a real security camera feed. That's mind blowing, I'm saying, because it means the AI can handle text and visual consistency perfectly, and the second tick up smoothly just like in the actual video. That's seriously smart because AI used to have problem with text and numbers. So that is it, my friend. You can see now what you can create with Sora tool. So I recommend you to create a brand new faces YouTube channel, or you could just use your actual faces YouTube channel, your actual channel, and start creating videos with Sora tool. It will boost your channel and you get a lot of views. So my friend, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell. So for instance, click on this video right here where I showed you how I made over $3,000 from USA politics news channel on YouTube, and so as a complete beginner. See you over there.